Welcome to our COVID-19 cough coding problem. A defining part of 2020 is the global pandemic shutdown due to COVID-19. A large part of the transmission of coronavirus is due to asymptomatic carriers, meaning individuals who don't know they have corona and might unknowingly transmit it to others. The widespread problem is that testing for the virus is uncomfortable and can be pricey, so people are not likely to get tested unless they have symptoms. However, recently, MIT researchers have discovered a way to distinguish asymptomatic and symptomatic individuals along with healthy individuals through coughs. Yeah, coughs. Believe it or not, there are many different types of coughs out there. For example, the I don't want to go to school because I'm pretending to be sick cough. Or the classic sarcastic cough. Sarcasm. Or the robot cough.
Cough, cough, cough.
As you can see, there are many different coughs out there and they can be distinguished based on the MIT research. However, it must be noted that it cannot offer a formal diagnosis, but it can inform an individual if they should go get tested or not. The 4 biomarkers to a cough are muscular degradation, aka weakness, vocal cord strength, aka strength, sentiment, aka phlegm, and lung and respiratory performance, aka the pace and rhythm of a cough. The thing about researchers is that they are not the best at programming, so they're asking you to create the program. Because each industry has a certain minimum standard for its employees, you will receive a threshold called T, which is the maximum acceptable risk that each individual must be under to clear to continue working or studying. As for the biomarkers, muscular degradation and vocal cord strength is measured on a bell curve. So the hypothetical healthy individual would have a perfect mix of 50% uppercase letters and 50% lowercase letters. As for the biomarker sentiment, a healthy individual would have a median number of G's in a cough that takes up to 50%. Lastly, for lung and respiratory performance, a healthy cough would have equal spacing between coughs. All of these biomarkers should be scaled from 0% representing healthy to 100% representing the most unhealthy, except for lung and respiratory performance, whose maximum can never reach 100%. An average of all these 4 factors determines the probability of the individual having COVID-19, and thus should confirm that with a test or not. The input of your program should start with lines containing 2 integers, the threshold T, which can be between 0 and 99, and N, representing the number of coughs in the input, which can be between 1 and 500. The next N lines of input are each a single line of an individual's coughs pattern separated by periods. The desired output of your program is supposed to print out individual X, where X represents the individual's case number, and then whether or not they should get tested. If the individual's probability of having COVID-19 exceeds the industry threshold, then print, "Get yourself tested." Otherwise, print, "You good, homie." So that's our COVID-19 cough coding problem. Can you solve it?